Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. I am Dharambi from Kolkata. Today our theme will be agro-based theme, agro plus fertilizer stocks. We will discuss today. Now this is PI Industries. This is leadership in agro industries also. And you can see this is the day chart. Let me see the first monthly chart. So you can see the whole history of the PI industry. Now PI industry was starting from the journey in the year 2011, as I have chart since 2011, and it was trading near 68 rupees in 2011, and from there it went high to 2151.75 paisa. That is, if you invested in the year 2011 sorry 6800 rupees, then your money become in 2020, that is after a span of 9 years, it will become 2,15,175 rupees. Just only investing rupees 6,800. After 9 years, it become 2,15,175 in this PI industries, and still it is looking very strong in PI industries. Now we will go to the daily chart, and you can see the high made to 2160 in the month of August, 7th August, and from there it went low to 1869, and this is the second bullish engulfing candle. So you can enter this stock with or accumulate at lower level, maybe near 17 or 1800 rupees, with the stop of 1600 rupees, and target minimum 2400 from here. Upside is still pending, I think so. So this is PI Industries. The next stock will be discussed about UPL, that is United Phosphorus Company. UPL. Yes. UPL is trading near range of 500 rupees. That close on Friday is 485, and you can see in the month of March low made 240 rupees, and from there it already doubled, and if any day closing above 500 rupees, it will be clear breakout for the this previous high 603 to 615 rupees levels. If you see the monthly chart of UPL, United Phosphorus Limited, you can see that in the year 2012 it was trading near 67 rupees and went high to 709 rupees in the year 2019, and from there during March crash we see a low 250 rupees and now trading near 500 rupees. So already doubled from the March low. So closing above 500 rupees, we can see the first target 610, and then it can touch the previous high 710 rupees. So this is a very good stock. And the next stock we will discuss about Carbo Random Universal. Just Carbo Random. The next stock will be Carbo Random Universal. Yes. And you can, this is a monthly chart of Carbo Random Universal, and in the year to 2009 it was trading near 40 rupees and went high to 427 in the year 2018, and from there in month of March crash it went low towards 180 rupees and now trading near 253 rupees. So it is already available at cheaper rate from the high made at in the 400 levels to, and now trading near 253. So you can buy this stock at even at current price with a stop of 220 on closing basis, and the target will be 400 plus. The next stock will be GNFC, that is Gujarat Narvada Fertilizer. Gujarat Narvada Valley Fertilizer Company is also a very good company, and you can see this is a monthly chart of GNFC. In the year 2015 it was trading near 55, and from there it went to 550 50 rupees almost, and during month of March crash it went to 95.6 rupees. Now trading as near 170 rupees, so you can see that is available at cheapest rates from the high. So it is can be multi-bagger stock, and accumulate or can buy this stock with a stop of 125 on closing basis. So next stock will be Godrej Agrovet. Godrej Agro is a Godrej Group company, and you can see the high made in the month 2018 was 637, and from there it went low 265 in month of March crash, and now trading near 490 rupees, that is near about 500 zone. Any day closing above this 500 closing above 500, we can see a breakout towards 600 rupees, and then again 700 rupees. So this is also a good stock to be buy, and can be multi-bagger stock from even here also. The next stock will be Kaveri Seeds. Kaveri Seeds, yeah. You can see the stock went low in the month of March, that was 273 rupees, and now is trading near 682. The close on Friday was 603. So from March low it already doubled from March low. And if you see the monthly chart of Kaveri Seeds, so you can see the low, it was trading in the year 2008 23 rupees, and went high to 1075 rupees in the year 2015. That are only 7 years from 60 rupees to 1075, and now is trading near the breakout zone. The breakout level is at, if close above 710, we can see a breakout in Kaveri Seed for the target of 1075 rupees, and closing of this level, we can see a good upside in Kaveri Seeds. The next stock will be is Himatinga Seed. The name is too difficult. Himatsinga, yeah, Himatsinga. This can be a multi-bagger stock because it is available at cheaper rates. From the high made in the year 2018 was 443, and now currently trading near 80 rupees. So it is a good stock to buy, and it is a multi-bagger stock to be. So you can buy at current price level with a stop of 50 rupees on closing basis for the target of 400 rupees in the next 1 to 2 years. Our next stock will be Chambal Fertilizer. Chambal Fertilizer and Chemicals. This is a monthly chart of Chambal Fertilizer, and in the year 2013 was trading at 31 rupees, and in the year 2018 it was made high 209 rupees. So 30 rupees to 209, and in the month of March it went low at 94 rupees, and now currently trading at 153 rupees. So we can see a good upside from here, and it can touch the previous high, that is 210, and closing above this level we can see 50% upside even above these levels 210. The next stock will be Prag Milk. Prag Milk Food. This is a monthly chart of Prag Milk Food, and it made low currently 48.15 in month of March from the high made in the year 2018, that was 368. So you can buy this stock with a stop of 80 rupees on closing basis for the target of 300 rupees on the upside in the next 1 to 2 years. And our the last stock will be, we have discussed all the stock. I think yes, one last stock is pending. Aries Agro. Aries Agro Limited. This also be a multi-bagger stock. It currently available at cheapest rate from the high made in the year 2017 was 293 rupees, and low made in the month of March is 34 rupees. So and is ready to break out from the level 80 rupees. Close above 80 rupees, we can see a breakout in this Aries Agro for the target of rupees 300 in next 6 to 1 month, I think so. So this is a multi-bagger stock. Accumulate this stock. So you like the channel. Those who are new viewers, kindly subscribe to channel and please press the bell notification. And you can also follow me on Telegram channel, that is Pandit Invest.